Avocado health questions answered by verified health professionals. What are the benefits of avocado oil for the skin? Avocado oil has anti-inflammatory properties and contains antioxidants. It can help strengthen your skin and keep it feeling smooth. It will moisturize and help prevent skin damage from sun exposure. This plant oil can help with dry, chapped, or itchy skin. Answers by Jennifer Katz, Bachelor, URTM's degree, Dietetics and Clinical Nutrition Services. A 31 years of experience from USA.
What are the benefits of avocado oil for the skin? The main skincare benefits of avocado oil are to soothe and retain moisture. The oil from avocado fruit is an excellent source of fatty acids, including omega-3 linolenic acid, omega-6 linoleic acid, oleic acid, as well as plant sterols. These work on the skin's surface to preserve moisture and prevent water loss that can lead to signs of dehydrated skin. Avocado oil can smooth, calm, and soften skin. It is also a good source of natural antioxidants such as vitamins A, C, E, and polyphenols, which may help neutralize free radicals before they damage the skin. Answered by Michael Colangelo, from the USA, Master of Science, MS, in Nutrition. 15 years of experience.